Look at these payments. In today's video, I will show you how you too can receive payments like these, and that too just by listening to music online. The method that I will show you is absolutely free, and the best part, you can do it from anywhere in the world. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any opportunities to make free money online. The process that I will be showing you today is very simple. It consists of only 3 steps. First, you will have to download music from a website, and then you will have to transcribe the music using a free online software, and finally, you will have to upload the music lyrics to another website, which is going to pay you for the transcribed music lyrics. Let me walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Head over to SoundCloud.com to download the music tracks. If you scroll right to this part, here's what's trending for free in the SoundCloud community. You have all these music tracks that you can download. Now click this Explore Trending Playlist button right here, and you'll be taken to this page. Here you can now choose any music track to download from any of the genres available, and that too completely for free. As an example, let's download this one right here from the Top 50 Charts category. To download the music track, just click on the title like so, and as you can see, it now opens up a playlist which has different music tracks. Now let's select the very first track by clicking on it. To get the music track, just click on this share button right here, and then copy this link to download the music track. You'll be using this audio file later to transcribe the music track. And don't worry, I will be showing you a free software that will do all the transcribing work for you. Also, I will now give you a tip that will enable you to make more money in less time. When you copy the link, do it for as many music tracks as you can so that you don't need to come to SoundCloud again and again. This way you will save time and you will be able to completely focus on step 2. Step 2. Head over to otranscribe.com. Here, as promised earlier, you will be able to transcribe the music track, and that too completely for free. So how do you transcribe a music track? To transcribe the music track, simply click on this Start Transcribing button right here. Now, all you need to do is upload the music track that you previously downloaded from SoundCloud by clicking on this big Choose Audio File button right here. Again, let me give you some quick tips. After you get the music lyrics from this website, it is always a good idea to check for any grammatical mistakes by reading the transcript obtained. By doing so, you're ensuring that you will get paid. Plus, you can also go to the website called azlyrics.com to get music lyrics. You just need to type in the name of the artist or the song title and boom! You get the lyrics without doing any work. As an example, let's type in work right here. As you can see, it gives us so many songs which have work in their title. Let's select the very first one, and here you go. As you scroll down, you can see that all the music lyrics have been transcribed for you. So cool, right? Now time for step 3. Head over to our final website, which is rev.com. Now the part that we've all been waiting for. How to make money from this website. As you can see right here, under audio and video transcription, you'll be paid $1.50 for every minute that you listen to a song and then transcribe the audio into lyrics. Scroll down to the very bottom of the website. Now click on Become a Freelancer. Now all you need to do is sign up, and then you can start making money. Also, look at this. Receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. Also, it is completely free to sign up to Rev.com. To sign up, click on this Learn More button under Transcriptionist right here. Now check this out. This is the top monthly earning that people have made on Rev.com just by transcribing audio. So let's complete the sign-up process so that you can be this someone too. Enter your first name and last name right here. Then put in your email address here. And now you can select your country from this drop-down menu. As you can see, there are so many countries for you to choose from. This means that it does not matter where you're watching this video from right now. You can start making money from this website simply by signing up and creating a free account. Now all you need to do is click on Next, and as you can see, a free account will be created for you. And you can now start transcribing music tracks. Good luck making money transcribing music tracks!